Good morning, Mrs. Africa. How are you today? I'm feeling a bit nervous, but I'm ready.
It's okay to feel nervous. We're here to support you. Everything is going smoothly.
Hi, Techa. I just wanted to check in and see how you're doing. We're almost ready for the delivery. Are you comfortable?
Yes, but I am a bit anxious. Is everything going to be okay?
Everything looks great so far. You're in good hands, and we will meet you every step of the way.
Thank you. I feel better knowing you are here.
You're going to do great. We're all here for you. Let's get started.